The way the AEC sector works has fundamentally changed. While architects still utilize a range of highly sophisticated, resource-intensive apps, these are now complemented by sophisticated cloud architecture and fully integrated physical and virtual workstations. This has opened up a range of benefits in terms of mobility, security, and management, with architects able to collaborate with their colleagues and clients from anywhere. But at the same time, this means the large, complex files that firms utilize on a daily basis must be stored and backed up securely, in full compliance with the relevant regulations, and protected from ransomware attacks and similar threats. Exponential-e provides the technology backbone to support this new way of working. We combine a cell phone network with leading-edge SD-WAN and unified communications solutions, plus a constantly evolving security ecosystem to ensure critical data remains full secure at all times, while enabling effortless communication and collaboration. With this in place, the AEC sector is free to focus on the most cutting-edge projects, safe in the knowledge that their data is 100% secure at all times.